Hi, this is Zach and
This is Samara
we're here from Teacher.
and Student Game Time.
Oh,
Yes.
there you go. Student Gamer and Teacher Gamer. So we have a game, it's called Neoville. And you can hear, if you have the low bass rumble in your system, that we have some thunder overhead. Well, Neoville is a game, what does it look like it's a game about?
Construction.
Construction? Yep. Constructing what?
City, like
There you go.
updating the city.
And what does Neo mean to you?
I don't know.
New. It's a new and ville?
Oh, village?
Village or city?
Yeah.
New city. Here you go. This is a game about making a new city. And you can see that there's different kinds, right?
Yeah, this is like a nature plus technology. This is like, and this is only technology. They mix them both.
They mix them up, right?
Yeah.
So in this game, one of our things that we're trying to do is we're trying to build our city in a sustainable way. And you have different cities that you can build at different heights. But the key thing about this game, and then you have different ways that your city gets power.
Oh.
It comes down to points again. And this, for some people, this is really interesting because it's competitive. And also part of role-playing, gamifying any tabletop game is to kind of move away from the competitive aspect and more into some kind of a playful aspect.
Yeah, that's true.
What aspect do you think that we could bring, if we were to create characters about ourselves when we play this game? What are things that we could create?
Like people, like very successful business people.
Okay, so we could talk about our business that is making these buildings?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're builders, maybe even architects?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we could talk about our firm. We could have a name of the company that builds these things. Can you think of a company name that might be the people who make these? Just off the top of your head.
Nothing in mind.
Nothing in mind. Okay, I'm going to look at it and I'm going to say Green Tree Window. That's too boring. Can you help?
Wow.
Green
That's
Tree
too
Window.
long.
GTW. What about GTW?
Green tree window.
GTW. That's an idea. Anyway, we could talk about the architectural firm and the specialization, or why the city should give them money to make new buildings. They should maybe have to make a little proposal.
Yeah.
Like what?
Like maybe volunteering to help build the building.
There you go. One group could be like, yeah, we're volunteers.
Yeah.
We want to build a civic plan.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, this is just about how detailed do you want to get about it. You could also talk about what's the name of your city.
That's true.
You could also talk about where is this city.
Yeah.
You could talk about it could be here on Earth. It could be in another planet. This could be all about terraforming a new place on the moon Io that circles Jupiter. I hope I'm not wrong, or is it Saturn?
I'm not sure.
Anyway, click the like button, crush the subscribe bell, and we hope you have an amazing day.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye-bye.